Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Moscow Marvels. Today we'll be looking at VDNKh, an exhibition complex and park in the north of Moscow. Now, would the park really be Russian if it weren't absolutely massive? The park is, simply put, enormous. So enormous in fact that you could fit the Vatican City along with the Pope, the priests and all the other pretentious pious paraphernalia inside it not once, not even twice, but a whopping 5 times. Keeping true to form, the park's official name is also rather large and quite the tongue twister. Take a deep breath and get ready to repeat after me. Выставка достижений народного хозяйства. One more time. Выставка достижений народного хозяйства. Right. I'm sure you can see why no one actually calls it that, but rather they simply use the abbreviation VDNKh. The exhibition was established in 1935 and the first show season was supposed to begin in July 1937, but it wasn't actually until 1939 that it opened. To make the most equal of comrades Marx, Lenin and Stalin proud, the exhibition's main purpose was to showcase the fruits of labor from the people, for the people, by the people, you get the point. Each Soviet republic had its own pavilion featuring traditional symbols and architecture, and these pavilions would host an array of exhibits that instilled a sense of pride and socialist glory. You could see almost anything, it seems, from pigs, cows and tractors, to color TVs, a replica of Sputnik, missile carriers, Soviet art, the Olympic bear, and even a working nuclear reactor. And if having a working nuclear reactor in a park wasn't wild enough, get this. The reactor was intentionally left uncovered so that people could see its inner workings. Yikes. Thankfully, the reactor is no longer there, but it must have been quite a thrill back in 1958 when it was first installed. In 1987, Soviet citizens were given a rare glimpse of American technology, with Apple computers even making an appearance. Throughout its history, the park has undergone many closures and renovations, but the modern version we have now is really something to behold and an absolute must-see for anyone that is visiting the city. I'll now leave you to revel in this Moscow marvel. Let us know which part of the park is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. До свидания. Bye for now.